Bonjour et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les couleurs en français. The colors. C'est parti. Rouge, rouge. Red. La rose est rouge. The rose is red. Orange, orange. Orange. L'orange est orange. The orange is orange. Jaune, jaune. Yellow. Le soleil est jaune. The sun is yellow. Vert, vert. Green. The T is silent. When used to describe feminine nouns, it becomes verte. Verte. The T is pronounced here. Keep in mind, we add an E at the end of the colors if they are describing feminine nouns. For those that already have an E, like jaune, they remain the same whether masculine or feminine. L'arbre est vert. The tree is green. La pomme est verte. The apple is green. Bleu, bleu, blue. Le ciel est bleu. The sky is blue. The feminine version is bleu. Bleu. Same pronunciation but different spelling. Une porte bleue. A blue door. Violet. Violet. Purple. Un rideau violet. A purple curtain. The feminine version is violette. Violette. Les fleurs sont violettes. The flowers are purple. Rose. Rose. Pink. Rose remains the same whether masculine or feminine. Le flamand est rose. The flamingo is pink. Noir. Noir. Black. Its feminine version is noir. Noir. The two also have the same pronunciation. Le chat est noir. The cat is black. Il a une voiture noire. He has a black car. Blanc. Blanc. White. When used with feminine nouns, it becomes blanche. 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 Un mur blanc. A white wall. La neige est blanche. The snow is white. Gris. Gris. Gray. The S is silent. When it's used to describe feminine nouns, it becomes grise. Grise. The S here is pronounced like a Z. This is a pronunciation rule that applies when the letter S appears between vowels for most French words. Un manteau gris. A gray coat. Une jupe grise. A gray skirt. Marron. Marron. Brown. Le chocolat est marron. The chocolate is brown. Marron does not change whether masculine or feminine. This is because it is an invariable adjective, or as the French say, un adjectif invariable. This means that such adjectives don't follow the accord rules where a word changes depending on the gender and number of the noun it describes. Make sure to stay tuned for the second part of the video where I will show you how to use these colors in French sentences correctly. Génial! Now, can you identify the colors in this image? What color is this? What about this one? And lastly, what color is this? Comment your answers down below. Let's see how many you got right out of the 3. Félicitations! Now you know how to say different colors in French. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? What is your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner pour plus de leçons françaises. Merci et à bientôt!